Please like, share, and subscribe. We have Priyamvada Mangal with us. Ask all the questions which you all want to know about yoga and skincare. Hi Priyamvada, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. I'm so excited for today's topic because I have been waiting for something like this to know something more about yoga and skincare. Okay, so let's start. Or you want to wait for people to join in? Let's just wait for a few people to join in and then we'll
Yeah, we'll
start.
wait for few people to join.
Okay, until then, let's just tell everybody what our today's topic is about and what
Okay.
they can expect from you today. So, would you like to just say what all you are intending to cover, like in a short,
Okay. So
summary?
today's topic is about skincare, and we'll discuss how we can holistically look at skincare because these days we are too obsessed with products and skin
True.
routines and night routines and day routines. So now we are going to try and understand how we can make certain lifestyle changes, which is going to be good for our health as well, and it will automatically reflect on our skin. So we are going to discuss some tips for how can we incorporate yoga and other lifestyle changes so that we get good and glowing skin. So that
That's wonderful.
is a topic today.
Yeah, perfect. So let's just get started. Hello, everybody who's joined in, and please feel free to ask your questions, or if you all have anything to, tell us or share with us, any of your experiences, please feel free.
Yeah,
So
please, please.
yeah,
Aditi, Raja, everyone else who has joined in, please feel free to ask us questions and react and
yes,
interact with the live.
true. So the first thing I would want to know is, as you said, that these days beauty is kind of limited to beauty products and the cosmetics which we have. So what do you think about it? Like also the fact that a lot of these products are highly, like they contain a lot of chemicals and they could be dangerous for your skin in the longer run. So that is also one thing we need to consider. So what would you like to tell people about how you have beauty as a concept beyond all of these products which are available in the market?
ठीक है. So I'd say that looking how you look is important. I'm not saying it's not important at all. But to what extent is it important? ठीक है. The lifestyle we are trying to ape, if we are trying to look like a particular actor who's using a certain skin product, it is their profession and they have a certain screening process. They have a certain ऐसा features होना चाहिए तभी वो actor बन सकता है, and they have a lot of things they invest into looking good because they are into the skin business. But now since we are watching a lot of screen, so we subconsciously think कि नहीं, this is how you supposed to look
Yeah.
beautiful.
That
Even
becomes
if
like a parameter.
पैरामीटर हम लोग ने वो सेट कर लिया, रैशनली हम बोलेंगे नहीं नहीं इतना कुछ मैटर नहीं करता, बट सबकॉन्शियसली वी आर ऑलवेज इनटू अरे वो क्या करती होगी कि उसका स्किन इतना फ्लॉलेस is looking at the screen. So beauty to an extent is important, but if you're not in the profession, if you're not in the profession of the beauty or skin business, then how important it is to you, you need to decide. क्योंकि अब फोन हम लेंगे, we can take this analogy to purchasing a phone. If we purchase a phone, of course we'll see how it looks, but more important is what it does. अभी फोन
True.
लिया वो बहुत अच्छा दिख रहा है, ठीक है,
पर काम नहीं कर रहा है तो क्या फायदा?
नहीं कर सकती, मैं उससे मैसेज नहीं कर सकती हूँ, मैं इंटरनेट पे कुछ चीज मेरे को ढूंढनी है मैं ढूंढ नहीं सकती हूँ, तो एंटायर पर्पस ऑफ द फोन इज डिसॉल्व. सो
Yeah.
इफ वी आर टोटली फोकसिंग ऑन लुकिंग गुड, स्किन अच्छा दिखना चाहिए, so are we overdoing it and underdoing the other things that we are supposed to do, that like working on the real skills, working on our
True.
relationships, working on the deeper aspects of ourselves.
And as you mentioned, what's important is to what extent are we ready to go for that? So
Yeah.
even if chalo, let's just assume कि we want to look beautiful on the outside, like of course, ठीक है, we have that idea कि we want to look a certain way, but like what is the opportunity cost that we are actually giving for that? I mean, till what extent are we ready to go? That is also something which we need to consider. And as you said, beauty is a very relative concept, which means that something which feels very comfortable for me, very beautiful for me, somebody else may not really like it.
Right.
So we can't have these, superficial standards of beauty, because I think beauty is equivalent to comfort. If you give me something I'm not comfortable with, even though you may think I'm looking pretty, I will not feel beautiful on the inside.
I
So that's
completely
also
agree.
something we need to be like cautious of, right? So anything more on
I
that?
agree with you. if I can actually like an actor, a model एक मेरे से बात करने आया एक बंदा, I will be very charmed. अरे ये अच्छा दिखता है. But beyond that, how is he as a person? Are we compatible or not? ठीक है?
Yeah.
That is more important, right? Not the fact that he looks good. Looks good कि मैं first time देख रही हूँ उसको उतना important है कि हाँ first time देख रही हूँ तो क्या, पर उसके beyond how we talk, how we connect is more
That's
important.
the main thing. True.
Rather than, and इतना ज्यादा obsession अभी skin पे तो इतना ज्यादा obsession है that it's crazy, and we need to tell people that it's not only about applying products on the skin.
And yeah, like you've seen the products, like I'm generally not somebody who uses a lot of beauty products, but of course, whenever you have all these functions and especially friends' weddings, and you have all of like, you gather and you have all the beauty thing going on, you should see the products. They can literally like make you look like a different person altogether,
Yes.
which is, I think we are kind of overdoing it, because then it somewhere makes us feel as if we're not good enough, which is why we need all of these things. And that's a very wrong subconscious signal we are setting for ourselves, that we need all of these things not to enhance our beauty, because we are not beautiful in ourselves. So I
Yeah,
think it's a deeper issue, like if you're talking about that.
बिना कोई फोटो अच्छा नहीं लगता है ना. सेम थिंग कि मेकअप के बिना फिर ऐसा लगता है यार फीका लग रहा है इंसान.
Yeah, which is again debatable. I mean,
And क्या chemicals
right.
है, like we eat something, if we eat something we are so conscious ना कि क्या, अभी एटलीस्ट थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्शियस होने लगे कि क्या है उसमें, कार्ब, प्रोटीन, व्हाट इज द न्यूट्रिएंट कंटेंट. But we don't realize that our skin is so important. It is also a channel in which we are breathing.
Of
Skin
course,
से
our
भी
skin is, yeah, pores are breathing all the time.
So what we are doing is constantly blocking the pores, and also the pores are absorbing all these chemicals. We don't realize that.
Yeah, they're going
And most
inside
of
your
the,
body.
so most of the skin, one thing is that skin is a major excretory organ as well, because it kind of मतलब यूरिक एसिड निकलता है स्किन से, प्लस हीट जो है वो पसीने के थ्रू निकलती है, right? So that we are blocking that also, that channel also, and at the same time our skin is absorbing all the chemicals that we are putting in. We don't even know कितना chemicals है हमारे products.
True.
That is something that people are totally unaware of, and they're putting one product after the other.
Yeah. And I also know of people who don't even take off the makeup before they go to bed. And I think that is a really, really dangerous thing. So if you are listening to us and if you've been doing that, please make sure that you remove all of that and you go to bed, because you do not want that, especially when you are sleeping for like 6 hours, 7 hours. You do not want those products on your body.
And it will show up. The reactions will show up
In the
after
longer
that.
run. Yeah, in the long run.
Friend's sister, उनके स्किन पे बहुत ज्यादा रिएक्शन हो गया था, because she used to be so tired after work that she forgot to take off her, well, she didn't have the priority to take off the product because she wanted to go to hit the bed. And then after that her skin started having acne and all the kind of reactions which we have after putting a lot of chemicals on the skin.
Yeah.
So yes, even if you don't do it, then the skin is communicating with you. I don't want this, reacting and telling you that this is something that I'm not accepting. It's not good for me. So again, we need to think, are pimples and everything bad, or are they showing you the internal health or of your body? Is it bad?
Yeah.
Are you supposed to hide it, or are you supposed to look the reasons and search for the reasons causing those pimples?
That's
So
a
this
very,
can also be
right.
a thing to think upon.
Yeah. And now, after talking about all of these products, let's move to what we can do to actually have a healthy and a glowing skin. Because I'm sure there are so many other ways, there are so many natural ways, which includes sleeping, eating the right thing, staying hydrated. So, all of these things will actually not only make your skin glow, but that will be something much more at a deeper level, and that will help you be healthy in all aspects of your life. So it's not
Right.
just looking pretty, it will also make sure that you have a good good systems. Your systems are very
Right.
nice, and all of the functioning of your body is great. So more about that.
ठीक है, तो first thing that we should keep in mind is make sure that we are cleaning our stomach. Cleaning our stomach matlab every day we are supposed to ensure that our bowel movement is proper. We are not holding out our urine. And third thing is our pasina जो है वो channel हम block नहीं कर रहे. Perfume लगाना है ठीक है, but deo if you put and it keeps on blocking your perspiring
Pores, yeah,
mechanism,
yeah,
it is going to come out as ghamori, as acne or as pimple, because that heat has to be released ultimately. So these these three channels is the way our body is automatically excreting out the waste matter. So we
yeah.
should ensure that we are not constipated. This is something that no one touches upon. Constipation has relation to increasing your body heat, increasing your body toxins, which is ultimately going to go up and give you dandruff. Dandruff is going to give you acne and pimples and other kind of bacterial issues. So make sure that you're not constipated. Make sure you're not holding your pee and overloading your bladder by holding the pee. And ensure that ज्यादा पाउडर और वो सब लगाते हैं पूरा पोर्स ब्लॉक होगा, वो हीट नहीं निकलेगी तो इट विल कम आउट एज अ पिंपल. So this is the
So
first thing
yeah. So
we
basically,
can.
all of these things, pimples, acne, or other skin conditions are actually a sign to the problem which lies beneath that.
Within,
So
yeah,
it's not something as opposed to what people generally do is you have a pimple, they will end up doing more things to hide it up, and you are actually deteriorating that problem even further,
right.
because then you have the pimple or the acne coming in contact with other chemicals, and it's going to just intensify your problem even further.
And it will increase. It will increase
Yeah.
and spread out.
So yeah. So there's nothing to be like ashamed of if you have a pimple here and there, and that's fine. So just make sure that you address the underlying issue as to why it is happening. If it is happening constantly, then you need to figure out what is the reason behind that. And talk about sleep, because as you said, people don't talk about the bowel movement. People also don't talk about the sleep pattern when it comes to healthy lifestyle, skin, and how important it is to actually repair your muscle, to glow your skin, for everything.
Sleep is pretty much interrelated with your excretory process, because when you sleep, the body is constantly repairing and eliminating the products. That is why ऐसा था कि उठते से ही lot of people want to attend to the toilet. Or when we sleep, we feel like a mucus पूरा भर रहा है, because
It's all
that is
detox happening.
excretory process that is happening in the body. So the ideal time to sleep is not in the day. It is in the darkest time of the night we are supposed to sleep. And number of hours इतना मैटर नहीं करता है जितना मैटर करता है कि आपकी क्वालिटी कैसी है sleep. So if we are waking up refreshed, it means that our body has functioned properly, slept properly. It's going to excrete the toxins properly, and we are going to have a good day. If you have not slept well, the repair mechanism has not happened. Okay? The excretory process is not going to happen, because you won't feel like passing your motions or whatever.
Yeah.
And automatically you're going to feel lethargic throughout the day.
So that
So-
will ultimately show up on your face, the tiredness and
It is
the lethargy.
ultimately going to show up on your face, on the way you function. Sleep is very important. And it is also going to give you stress, which is another cause of generating a lot of heat and cortisol in the body, right? Stress से cortisol बढ़ेगा तो eruptions, because that is a byproduct of increasing levels of stress hormones, cortisol, etc.
Yeah,
So
so as we've been discussing, I think it's all like related to each other. So you can't look at your health in isolation. It has to be a holistic concept. You can't just pick up one thing which you like and do that. It has to be everything in parts.
it has to be diet, it has to be your sleep, it has to be how much water you drink, and are you exercising, because exercising, if you're not perspiring, then exercise will actually take out all the toxins.
Yeah, I was just about to come to that fact that how important it is to sweat daily. Like how important it is to detox, because ultimately your skin is releasing all of the toxins from your body, and if you're not sweating enough, then that can also lead to problems.
Right. इसलिए facial जब कराने जाते हैं तो sweating is a process where we are taking steam, because it's opening out all the pores and actually automatically releasing all the toxin, and then they pull out the whatever आपका acne रहेगा या जो भी रहेगा, they pull it out from that device. So it is an integral process which actually goes to show that sweating is so important.
Exactly. We have a question. Talk about the relationship between thoughts and sleep quality. Oh, that's a good one. Thoughts
Okay.
and quality of sleep.
थॉट्स अगर बहुत ज्यादा होंगे, ओवर थिंकिंग करेंगे, तो स्लीप उतनी ज्यादा डिस्टर्ब होगी. थॉट्स जितने कम होंगे उतना ज्यादा बॉडी रिलैक्स करेगी. सो माइंड इज इंटर रिलेटेड टू बॉडी, and how well your body relaxes is ultimately going to ensure if you're sleeping well or not, because ultimately we're trying to shut down our conscious processes, right?
Yes.
वॉलंटरी मूवमेंट शट डाउन
So
करेंगे,
true.
थॉट्स हम शट डाउन करने की कोशिश करेंगे. वी कीप आवर थॉट्स टू द मिनिमम. वॉलंटरी प्रोसेसेस आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू कम डाउन, and the involuntary process of sleeping and what follows after sleeping is going to take. So it's very much interrelated.
And
Interrelated, related ही
yeah,
है.
related है, पूरा ही related है. And also the fact that what happens usually is that we physically go to the bed, but our brain is still functioning the same way, right? So that makes it very difficult for us to just fall asleep, although we are physically tired, because our brain is not really like, it's not accepted the fact that it's time to rest now, because you, till the time you go to bed, you're either working, you're either on your laptop, you're either on your mobile. So it becomes very difficult for us, our system, to understand that finally it's time to rest, which can also be a reason why you have too many thoughts when you go to bed. Okay, that's a
Yes.
thing, that's a very common thing these days. Right. Now, we've spoken about like healthy eating and sleeping well. But what are certain things which you have tried, okay, and which you think have benefited you a lot when it comes to skincare? Like it could be remedies, it could be applying anything, it could be anything which you've tried.
ठीक है, तो I ensure that I sleep at a certain time and get up. मेरा sleep quota रात का पूरा होना चाहिए. That is one main thing. I ensure that I'm not constipated. So I'm cleaning my system every day. Water, I have a bottle. ठीक है, पूरा bottle है, so that I know how much I'm drinking. Because lot of
Exactly.
times what happens if you're busy, if you're on the net all the time, you forget that thirsty. You're so not in tune.
Right.
तो हम लोग के पास
True.
अगर सामने पानी नहीं रहेगा तो हम भूल जाते हैं. हम बोलते हैं हाँ लेंगे लेंगे, but we are sitting there thirsty. So I ensure that there's
Yeah.
next to me. And एक चीज मम्मी मेरे को हमेशा बोलती थी बचपन से, दैट जब भी बाहर से आप आते हो, अभी तो लॉकडाउन की वजह से नॉट गोइंग आउट एंड जब बाहर से आते हो देन यू जस्ट वॉश योर फेस, और बिफोर स्लीपिंग वॉश योर फेस विद अ माइल्ड क्लेंजर, लाइक अ नेचुरल क्लेंजर. सो दैट
So,
आई ऑलवेज.
Priyamada, we have a couple of questions coming up for us. So the first thing is, what's the right way of doing meditation, or how do we know that the meditation we do is working in the right direction? So that question is from Simply Sampi. Okay,
Okay.
so they're talking about meditation here. So can you just tell people about what meditation means to you, and
Can we
yeah,
complete
come
this
on.
topic and then we'll
Yeah,
come to the
definitely.
questions,
Yeah,
so that
fine.
ये जो सुन रहे हैं लोग अभी उनका कंटिन्यूटी ब्रेक नहीं
Okay,
हो,
okay.
and then we'll
Fine.
answer all the questions.
True, true.
Ensure that you're drinking, staying hydrated, because when you stay hydrated तभी पसीना निकलेगा. Again, interrelated. Because
Related
if
ही
you
है.
only the toxins कैसे निकालेगा body? And if I think कि ना बहुत ज्यादा heat लग रहा है मुझे, then I apply a मुल्तानी मिट्टी with a little bit of हल्दी और चंदन. So that is my go-to thing. Or I apply, I hardly use any kind of skin products, because that is something that I don't believe in it until and unless I have to do it for a professional reason. कि मुझे स्क्रीन पे आना है और मुझे मेकअप, आई डोंट ओन, आई स्वेयर आई डोंट ओन अ सिंगल मेकअप प्रोडक्ट, बट
Oh,
मुझे
wow.
स्क्रीन पे आना है and there is going to be some makeup professional to do it, and then it's fine. But otherwise I don't feel the need to just make my skin go through so much of
Go through
torture.
that. True, true. That's true.
No, and I don't even want to invest my mind into deciding कि यार कौन सा प्रोडक्ट अच्छा है, फिर उसको निकालने का कैसा, फिर how do you wash it off, and then उसके बाद को हाइड्रेट कैसे करेगा.
Yeah,
Makeup makes your skin dry, and after that
definitely.
then you have to have another kind of routine, so I can't do all that. So I
That's
will,
great.
since I don't use any makeup product, I will not recommend it. Multani mitti I'll recommend because that is something I use. सेकेंड थिंग दैट आई यूज इज नीम और ऑरेंज का VLCC का फेस वॉश, क्योंकि जितना भी मैंने प्रोडक्ट्स का डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ा, it seems to be the one with the least chemicals. So that is
Okay.
something that I use every day to clean my skin. मतलब सुबह करती हूँ and रात को if it's oily then I will just clean the tea area wherever it's oily and wash it.
Earlier. Wonderful. So
That is
yeah, I think that's
and yeah,
perfect.
eating में I ensure that मतलब मेरे को suit I am very much in tune with what suits my body and what not. But sometimes what happens is if we eat too much of heaty products or something that doesn't suit our body, and that is another way of our skin is going to talk with us by pimples or
Yeah.
miles and say that this product is not suiting your body or it's increasing the heat in your body. So that diet plays an important role in that. Now
Right.
we can take the questions before we move on.
Yeah. Yes, let's take all the questions. So, as we were reading the question, it's about meditation and how do we know that the meditation is working in the right direction?
How do we know if our meditation is working in the right direction? So there are various way of meditating, and what does meditation mean? Meditation means when I'm talking with you right now, I'm totally in this moment. This can also be meditation. So where I'm ensuring that the baggage, मेरा past का जो baggage है, thought baggage और future का जो thought baggage है, it's zero because I'm totally in this moment right now.
Right.
So if I am able to do what I need to do in the day correctly with precision, it means your meditation is working properly. But when we are sitting and what happens sometimes is हम बैठते हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि हम meditate करें, but then thought घूमता रहता है हमारे दिमाग में. When you keep on getting overpowered by the thought, then you need to realize that you need to use another technique so that those thoughts which you don't want to think about are not overpowering.
Right.
So,
Correct. And also the
is that
fact that there are
answering the
so many
question?
also the fact that there are so many techniques and there are so many reasons why a person can meditate, so it's very difficult to give a generalized view of it because it depends upon what you are specifically looking for when you meditate. Like, of course, we know that concentration is one thing.
General way to look at how is anything successful is it making a positive difference to your life, your
Exactly,
body
is
and your
it, yeah,
mind.
is it
चाहे वो
working for you is the question you need to answer.
चाहे वो meditation हो चाहे वो diet हो, is it affecting you in a positive way? It means that you're on the right track. If it's a point of stress for you, even if diet is a point of stress for you, then it is not working for you.
Yeah,
अरे मेरे को
right.
इतना खाना है वो नहीं खा सकती, so that was stressing out. So
Yeah,
then
it's
there is
stressing out. Yeah.
in the same way for meditation is a point where you unwind, you relax, and it improves the quality of your life. It is absolutely working in the right direction. No matter what kind of meditation you're doing, it's working for you.
And also the fact that if it's actually making you feel good, you don't have to impose it on you. You will feel like doing it.
Yes.
That's the beauty of meditating or any kind of practices for that matter. You should be looking forward to it. If you are being repulsed, if you feel like, oh, I don't want to do it, if you're not into it, then you are just not into it. So that's, I think, one, like that could be a way of looking at it. The
Right.
next question we have is what's a good sitting posture for long working hours? Yeah,
A good
we're
sitting
talking about the
posture would
posture.
be where your spine is free from weight, your shoulders are free from weight, and your neck is free from weight. हम लोअर बैक से लेके अपर बैक, मिडिल बैक एंड अपर बैक को ज्यादा लोड करते हैं बैठने के टाइम बिकॉज वी आर नॉट टेकिंग द वेट ऑन अ बटक बोन्स. So that is the reason why our spine is getting overloaded and back pain start hota hai. So a good posture would be when your weight is on the buttock bones and there is no weight on your spine. That would be a good posture. And you feel like sitting in that posture. You don't feel after effect उसका negative नहीं है कि आपको बैक पेन नहीं हो रहा है, मतलब आप सही कहीं ना कहीं सही posture में बैठ रहे हो. अगर आप बहुत टाइम से काम कर रहे हो and you're not having back pain, it means somewhere you're getting it right.
Yeah, correct. I
Did
hope
that
that
answer your
we've
question,
answered your
Devang?
question because
Okay. Sampada says that the question is answered.
okay.
उनका पता नहीं.
Shreyas, yes, we agree with you that moms can never be wrong. That's so true. And guys, if you all have any more questions, please feel free to ask. Until then, we'll continue with our chat. Now, as you said that you've been trying all of these things and they've been working for you. So, I personally am someone who has dry skin. And I think that is a problem for a lot of people. Either our skin is excessively oily or it is dry. So, is there anything which you would like to tell us specifically in terms of oily skin or dry skin, like anything which can help us?
तो ड्राई स्किन के लिए again it's a very age old remedy. I don't even know if I'm supposed to say this कि बोलते हैं कि if you put a little bit of oil in your belly button before sleeping, it will ensure that none of your organs or skin is dry, because it equally distributes it to all parts of the body. So when I feel a dry skin, that is what I do.
Okay.
Second thing
That's
that I do
wonderful.
is I take virgin coconut oil and just rub it थोड़ा सा, तो मतलब एक drop दो
Yeah,
drop,
huh.
and I
Right.
apply it. But it doesn't suit a lot of people because eruptions होते हैं oil से लोगों के.
Yeah.
So this is something that works for me. So what you can do is if oil doesn't suit you, थोड़ा सा moisturizer is not bad at all. You can moisturize your skin when it feels dry. Take a little bit of moisturizer and apply it on your skin.
So because in winters, a lot of times I actually, so coconut oil is one thing I do and it kind of works for my skin. Also, I like to apply milk. So you have like a few, like you just take a cotton and just add a, few like drops of milk and just clean your skin. And that really works great as a moisturizer.
Amazing.
So yeah, so that's what I have been trying because, with excessive dryness, like I think these are some remedies which are really helpful. And what else have I tried? So I keep on trying these things. I think turmeric is one thing which works great for the skin as well. But it may
You have
not suit a lot of
the
people.
tulsi one, so share with them. The tulsi chai that you.
Oh yeah. So guys, I have been doing this thing for like I think 1 month now, wherein I just take some water, boil a few leaves of tulsi, and then wait for the water to cool down, and I keep having it throughout the day. And trust me, it's one of the best detox I've had, and I can actually feel like my skin glowing, and it really feels nice.
And we can see it also in the line.
Oh, thank you. That is a nice compliment. So yeah, this is one thing which I completely forgot, to mention. And it was not for skincare. I was just doing it because, chalo karte hai. Like my mom got tulsi and I was like, let's just do it. And then when I started drinking it, I was like, it feels so refreshing. And I was like, yeah, these things are amazing and we need to like try out more of these grandma like tips which we have. So yeah, and anything for the oily skin?
Oily skin के लिए keep washing your skin and applying multani mitti. It takes off all the excess oil.
Okay, yeah.
मतलब you can
That's
do it
nice.
more frequently, like twice or thrice a week if you have too excess oily skin.
Right.
Powder is something I wouldn't recommend because again it blocks your pores. But multani mitti is something that nourishes. Mud packs are have a certain kind of nourishment. That is why it's used extensively in Ayurveda. Even in Egyptian cosmetics, it's used a lot.
Yeah, you have mud facials and you have like a lot of, in fact, a lot of research has been done on that as well. Like how good soil and mud is for the
It
body.
has a certain pranic level value also. ना mud जो रहता है
Yeah.
उसकी pranic energy high रहती है. जो mud जिसमें हम चीजें उगाते हैं उसकी pranic energy is higher than what we produce in the factories. So it's the same principle.
Right. Now, before we come to an end, I have seen some of your work, and trust me, like your Insta page is full of like amazing things and amazing tips. So, I know that you have been conducting face yoga sessions. Okay, and
Just
as
one second.
somebody,
Just one second.
so guys, if you all have any questions, please write them in the comments section, and we'll be addressing them.
Yes.
So Priyamvada is back. And I was talking about face yoga. So I have been practicing it, and trust me, you really feel that, you feel as if your facial muscles have exercised. So
Yes.
the way we do yoga and then we feel the muscle soreness, you actually feel that in your facial muscles as well, if you do it correctly. So what would you say about facial yoga and how effective it is?
I think it's we should name it going beyond the pout because we are used to using only pout.
Yeah.
Very है. If face yoga is a systematic procedure of ensuring that each and every muscle, unused muscle of the face, is getting blood supply. अभी blood supply अगर होगा, circulation होगा तो blood supply होगा, automatically your skin is going to get and those cells are going to get oxygen. And when there is oxygen, it's automatically going to glow, and जो dullness है वो निकलेगी, because there is prana in each and every cell of your facial muscle.
What we have about 63 facial muscles, if I'm not wrong.
I don't know.
Yeah,
40
something like that.
40 इतना स्माइल के लिए 40 लगता है, उतना मुझे पता है.
नहीं पूरा I think it's something in 60s and
इतना and maybe हाँ
मतलब ऊपर का हाँ yeah. So as you rightly mentioned, let's just get beyond the pout and work on the other muscles as well. And I think it's really effective for double chin as well. But the thing is, you have to practice it every day, and you might have to practice it like 2 or 3 times in a day, depending upon how quick you want the results. But I have seen it work really well for people. So face yoga is something which even I would recommend. And it's easy, like you could be watching TV and you can do it. Like it's so simple. You can just be in the kitchen, you're working, and you can do it for 5 minutes. So it's not something which, takes a lot of time either.
I agree.
Right.
The point which you said कि practice every day. To be good at anything, we have to practice it every day. मतलब as a yoga teacher, you might know कि जितना how much ever you teach and talk and read about yoga, the better you are as a teacher.
Of
So the
course.
same musician also practices every day. We eat every day, sleep every day. So in the same way, yoga should not be something used as a tonic.
Yeah.
वो बहुत
right.
important है क्योंकि
And
अभी
we're not just
क्या हो
talking
रहा है?
about asanas. We're not just talking about asanas. It could be anything. So if you feel like, okay, today I want to sit and do pranayam, more of pranayam. So I think you can do that depending upon what you feel like. So it needn't be a compulsion कि आज इतना करना ही है. It has to be more about what you feel like doing that day.
You
Right?
listen to your body and whatever it is that you need in the day, particular day, you can customize your yoga routine according to that. But again, अभी जैसे योगा मार्केट हो रहा है, इट्स मोर लाइक अ टॉनिक. ठीक है, अगर वेट लॉस करना है तो हॉट योगा कर लो, स्टीम सूर्य नमस्कार 108 कर लो. बट व्हाट अबाउट
Now there's immunity. Now there's immunity going on.
now there's immunity, so it's being used as a tablet, which is something that I wouldn't recommend. If you want to do something, just learn it completely and try and integrate it into your life.
Yeah, and experience it, experience it and then decide how you feel after doing it.
Right.
Yeah, that's very important because I love how you mentioned that it's become more like a fitness regime, which ideally it was never meant to be. Yoga was never meant to be something which you consider for weight loss. So I find it funny that you have competitions and people are judged because yoga is exactly the opposite of that.
Right. Yoga, all these things that we mentioned, if we've learned it in the institute also. कि these things are byproducts. मतलब weight loss तुम्हारा होगा ही, तुम्हारा skin अच्छा होगा, तुम्हारे relationships अच्छा होगा, but that is a byproduct of the journey to know yourself and live up to your full potential. That is what yoga is about. The journey to integrate your body, breath, or the journey to integrate your subconscious mind, unconscious mind, and conscious mind, or the journey to integrate the divine and your lesser self. So this is the thing that we are aiming for. And the byproduct is weight loss, skin care, immunity, everything is
stress, like stress reduction.
Stress reduction, everything is a byproduct. But अभी now we are using everything as a tonic. We think कि जैसे bottles हम लोग use कर रहे हैं वैसे ही योगा को हम we want to put it in a bottle and say that this is what it's doing.
Yeah, right.
This is something that I always tell when I teach. I'm like, see, yoga is not only about that 1 hour that you put in your mat. Skincare is not about just applying stuff to your skin. It is much beyond because it's just one layer of your body. It is just
that's
one
the
layer.
most outermost layer, which is like visible to other people. And I think a lot of these issues are now coming up because we're so concerned about what people think about us. Like if you feel confident in your skin, I think you are the most beautiful person on this planet. Trust me. Because it's not easy. It's not easy to accept yourself the way you are.
It is not because we are ना कि अगर ऐसा दिखेंगे, अगर तेरा बायोडेटा में ब्रिटिश होगा तो नहीं सिलेक्ट करेगा.
Right.
तो हम लोग के अंदर ही वो डाला गया है to the point that we start believing it. So somewhere we need to understand that, listen, it's beyond the skin, it's beyond
Definitely.
the mat, it's beyond this asan, it's beyond the hot studio or yoga studio.
Yeah. So in fact, the very purpose is to go beyond your limitations, you know. The
Yes,
very purpose of all of these things is to like break through that specific idea that you have that everything is limited and finite. You want to
and
see what
it's
happens beyond.
you're completely, it's yoga is to break through the construct, and not, we cannot constrict yoga into a particular thing.
Yeah, like if
We
you're
have to
feeling
constrict
stressed, it's
life.
great to do yoga, but then you can't just say that, okay, this is, you know, these are the asanas for this and this is the thing for this. You can't do that with yoga. I mean, it's too vast to just, you know, finite or limit, you know, to keep it
बॉक्स में डालने
limited.
के बहुत
नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा है वो.
and deep
Yes,
subject. So are
that
there
is
any other
perfect.
questions?
So, if you have any questions, the ones who are listening to us, we would love to address, or we will just wind up. And before we let Priyamvada go, just a last like piece of advice for people, just a short summary, like 1 or 2 sentences of what you feel people should do to have glowing and like beautiful skin.
I would say, to have a glowing skin, to have a good life, focus on holistic principles. Just don't target the skin. If there is a problem with the skin, there is an underlying issue. If you have a certain problem in the relationship, then you have an underlying issue with the relationship. The same concept applies everywhere. If your child is crying, it's not just the cry. Cry के पीछे क्या है? Why is the child crying? Why is the skin having a lot of issues? So try and understand the root cause of the problem. Try and understand the whys, and then tackle it in a holistic manner. होलिस्टिक मतलब कि आप वो करोगे तो आपको उसका नेगेटिव साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. होलिस्टिक का मतलब ये है कि आज हम अगर स्किन में कुछ प्रॉब्लम है और उसी को टारगेट करते रहे, तो वी आर नॉट फाइंडिंग द रूट कॉज, and we are probably creating a lot of other toxins and issues because we are not finding out the root cause. So that is why when we say that we are being holistic, it means that we are trying to find the root cause of the problem and solve the problem in a way that it doesn't affect other aspects negatively. So I would say this principle applies throughout, like yoga में वही सिखाते हैं. It is about the root cause of the problem. It is not about what is showing up in your body, right?
Yeah.
So
Right.
this,
And it's not about, you know, like as you said, it's not about just using those quick fixes and applying band-aids to problems. Like you will have to like wait because that's going to be a long-term thing. If it's about health or if it's about skincare, you will have to wait. Maybe you'll have to do something for like months and weeks together, and that's when you'll start seeing the results. So I think
yeah,
patience is one thing which goes hand in hand with being healthy.
I agree with you.
Okay, thank you so much, Priyamvada. I love the way
Thank you
you've
for having
answered
me.
all the questions. Okay, and I'm gonna definitely try Multani Mitti because I've not tried that, I think. So
Okay.
that's one thing I'm gonna give a green signal. And thank you everyone who's listened to us. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And I will let you all know very shortly what's the topic for tomorrow. So thank you, Priyamvada. It was great talking to you. Bye bye. Thank you,
So
everyone. Stay tuned for more such videos.